In this video, I'm going to show you how to rebuild your search index on your Microsoft Outlook. Now, this should be a quick and easy process. All you have to do is to open up Microsoft Outlook. Now, when you do that, just go ahead and click on File, which is located at the top left. Then after you do that, go at the bottom, click on Options. Then after that, in this main page under User Interface Options, make sure Optimize for Best Appearance is checked, then go ahead to Search and change the Outlook by Windows Search. Click on this. After that, just go ahead and make sure Microsoft Outlook is located here. Then go ahead, click on Modify. And here, make sure also Microsoft Outlook is checked. Then just go ahead, click on OK. Then go ahead, click on Advanced. And after you do that, click on Rebuild, click OK. Then give it some time to rebuild itself. It only takes a couple of minutes, as you can see here at the top. So this was how to rebuild your search index on Microsoft Outlook. As always, thank you for watching.